Alright, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today in this video, we're going to get into our microphone test with the SoundPeats Sonic Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. So we're going to test out these microphones on the SoundPeats Sonic Earbuds in this video here today. And starting off the testing, we are testing out the audio coming directly from the earbuds. We are using a third-party camera application, the 4K Pro camera application, and you can see I'll have some B-roll thrown up in post of how I have everything set up. Okay, so check that out. If you're interested in how to set up the Bluetooth audio with any particular earbuds, this is one of my go-to applications for that. So you can see how I have it set up and how I have it set up to record stereo audio from the Bluetooth input source. Alright, so this is as quiet as I can get the room here today. So this is how the microphones would sound without any or as little to no ambient noise as I can get it. Okay, so this would be almost ideal situations. It's pretty hot out today, so I know the AC is probably going. But what do y'all think of the microphone performance in this scenario on the SoundPeats Sonic? Now, real quickly here, I have crowd noise pulled up on my Fire Stick here, and we're going to just push play. Okay, let the crowd noise start. Alright, should be going. I can't really hear anything with the earbuds in, and I have the earbuds set to max volume, so I don't even know how I sound. But now I'm just going to keep talking here. That crowd noise should be going, and you guys let me know how the microphone is performing in this simulated crowd environment here. So a little bit of a test phrase. How much wood can a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood? We're good. Alright? How's it doing? How's the microphones on the SoundPeats Sonic doing in this simulated crowd noise environment? Y'all let me know your feedback down below. Y'all know how it goes, and as always, keep it respectful, please. Alright? So hopefully this comes out good. Now let's go ahead and pause the crowd noise. Alright guys and gals, so that pretty much does it for this video. Once again, this was a microphone performance test of the microphones on the SoundPeats Sonic Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. If you did indeed enjoy the video and or you found it helpful, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. And make sure y'all click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Alright? This video was recorded with the 4K Camera Pro application in 720p at 30 FPS with Bluetooth audio hooked up. Again, the Bluetooth audio is coming directly from the microphones on the SoundPeats Sonic Truly Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality. This is on the S8 Active front-facing camera, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. Okay, as always, all feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright y'all, we are out of here. Have a good one everybody. Peace.